Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. All right, so in today's class, we'll quickly revise the quadratic equation chapter. All right, so before we go into the problems, let us quickly revise the expressions, the formulas. All right, so here in this, if a comma b comma c are any real numbers and a is not equal to 0, then ax squared plus bx plus c is called quadratic expression. That is the polynomial. All right, and ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called the quadratic equation. And the zeros of the expression ax squared plus bx plus c are called the roots of the equation. That is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. All right. Now, the two roots of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are. Now, how do you find out the value? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. All right? Yes. Yeah, and in this b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. So how do you represent that? By a small triangle. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we say that the roots are imaginary and complex. Okay, so it's very important that you write down these formulas. Okay, so let me repeat, b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is greater, if it is greater than 0, then we say that the roots are real and distinct. If it is equal to 0, then we say that the roots are real and equal. If it is less than 0, then we say that the roots are imaginary and complex. Okay, because we'll get few MCQs based on this. All right, now let's move on to the next one. Yeah, so if alpha comma beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, then the quadratic equation is x squared minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we say that the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is minus of b by a. And the product of the roots alpha beta is c by a. All right? Yes. Now let us quickly do a test on this. You can have your textbook as your reference or your notebook or any other materials. Maximum try to answer without seeing any books or notebooks, but you can have it with you so that for a quick reference, and be ready with your notebook and a pen or a pencil. All right, here goes. Among the following, which is not a quadratic equation? Among the following, which is not a quadratic equation? So we know what is a quadratic equation, isn't it? So now with that, you can see which is not a quadratic equation. All right. So it is x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2, because here the x squared terms gets cancelled on both the sides in option 2. Right? And x cubed terms gets cancelled on both sides in option 4. It becomes quadratic equation. Clear? So ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Isn't it? Right. Now see the next question. The roots of the equation 4x square plus 4 into root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? So what are the roots of the equation? 4x square plus 4 into root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. All right. So you can take maximum of 1 minute to find out the answer. Let me quickly see how many are giving the answers in the chat box. I can see here Jyoti, Bhavna Yadav, Narasimha, Neha. All right. Yes, you can stop chatting and start giving me the answer, students. All right. So here the answer is minus root 3 by 2. All right. See the next question. One of the roots of the quadratic equation, 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? So how do you find out the roots? Just by factorizing, isn't it? So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x. Let us try solving one sum. 6x square. So we need 12, isn't it? So 4 3s are 12. So minus 4x plus 3x. So you get minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So let us rewrite it as 6x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. We'll take 3x outside. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 minus 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus into plus minus. Yeah. So it is 3x minus 2, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. All right. So now 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3. 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. All right. So now one of the roots, cannot say both the roots can be given. So minus half is not there, but 2 by 3 is here. Isn't it? Here you can see. So your answer must be option 4. How many of you have given option 4? Very good. Many have typed. Jyoti, Neha, Bhavna Yadav, Chandu. Many have given me the answers. Okay, all right. Let's move on to the next question. One of the roots, the degree of a quadratic equation is dash. The degree of the quadratic equation is very simple. It's 2. X square, isn't it? Yeah. See the next question. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 50 by 7. Okay. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 50 by 7. Then what is the number? So x plus 1 by x is equal to 50 by 7. Anything that you can take the number as x, y, whatever you want, you can take. Right? So x plus 1 by x is equal to 50 by 7. By taking LCM, you will get the equation. You will get the equation, right? And when you solve it, you will get the, okay? Yes, so you get 1 by 7 as the answer. All right. See the next question. If the sum of the squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 74, then the smaller number is dash. Okay, so I'm just giving you 1 full minute. Yes. All right, let's see the answer. It is 5. Sum of the squares of two consecutive odd numbers. Okay, is 74. Then what is a smaller number? See the next question. If x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then what is x plus 1 by x? Right? So what is x plus 1 by x? So this can be solved. Find out the value of x. Let's try doing the sum. All sums it's not possible, but let's try. Okay. So x square, we want 1, isn't it? So minus x minus x. So 1 into 1, 2. So minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. If you take x into x minus 1, if you take minus 1, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So we get x is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 by 1 is 2. So your answer must be option 2. Let's see how many are giving me the option as 2. Option 2. Yeah. So Jyoti, Pambala, Narasimha, Bhavana, Srinivas, many are giving me the answers. Very good, students. See the next question. The roots of the quadratic equation minus, root 3x square minus 2x minus root 3 is 0 are real and distinct, real and equal, not real, can't be determined, right? So for this, we must be thorough with the b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, then you say that the roots are real and distinct. Yeah. And if it is equal to 0, then you say that the roots are real and well. If it is less than 0, then you say that the roots are imaginary and complex. So b square minus 4 into a into c, right? So what is b square minus 4ac? It is minus 2 the whole square minus 4 into root 3 into c is minus root 3. So 2 minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 3 minus plus. So it is 4 plus 12. So it is 4 plus 2, 16. Yeah, so 12 plus 4 is 16. So now you can say the roots are greater than 0. Right? So the roots are real and distinct. So it is option 1. Right? So you have to conclude saying that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. Clear? Okay. See the next question. If 5x square minus, yes, I'm getting answers from many students. Very good. Yes, Harika has given me an excellent answer. Bhavna Yadav has given me the correct answer. Jyoti Pambala has given me the answer. Manjula, Raju, Neha, Chandu, Srinivas, Narasimha. Almost everyone has given me the correct answer. Very good students, right? See here, if 5x square minus kx plus 11 is equal to 0, it has a root x is 3, then what is k? So what you have to do, you just have to substitute x is 3. So then you will get the value of k. Isn't it? Yeah, so just see here 5 into x square is 3 square is 9 minus k into 3 plus 11 is equal to 0. 5 nines are 45 minus 3k plus 11 is equal to 0. So 45 plus 11, 55 is 6. Okay, so minus 3k is equal to minus 56. K is equal to 56 by 3. So k is equal to, yeah, so 56 by 3. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. Okay, 5 nines are 45 minus 3k plus 7 minus 3k 45, 55. Yeah, so you get the value as 56 by 3. Correct. So our answer is right. I was just thinking, why is it we are getting it in decimal? So the answer is right. It is option 2. Yes, many of you have given me the correct answer. Very good students. Harika, Venkataya, Harish, Jyoti Pampala, Neha, Manjula, Raju Yadav. Very good. See the next question. The positive root of 3 root of 3x square plus 6 is equal to 9 is dash. What is a positive root? Very simple, you just have to take squares on both sides. Then you will get the answer, right? So just quickly take the squares on both sides. 3x square plus 6 equal to 9 square. So 3x square plus 6 is equal to 81. 3x square is equal to 81 minus 6. So 3x square is equal to 75. So x square is 75 by 3. So x square is 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So x is plus or minus 5. So here it is plus 5, so it is 5. Right? So the option is 2. Again, many of you have given me the right answers. Harita, Boya, Neha, Narasimha, Srinivas. Many have given me the correct answer. Very good students. See the next question. The roots of 5x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0 are. So again, you have to find out the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Right? So based on that, you can say whether the roots are real and equal, real and unequal, imaginary or none. Yes, so b square minus 4 into a into c. So 1 minus 20, which is minus 19. Right? So it is less than 0. So what do you say? The roots are, when it is greater than 0, it is real and discriminant. If it is equal to 0, it is real and equal. But here it is less than 0, so it is imaginary. Okay, so it should be imaginary and yeah, there is should be imaginary and complex. See, option 3 is the correct one. All right. Yes. With this, let's move on to the next question. Which of the following quadratic equation? Which of the following quadratic equation has real and equal roots? Just check whether it is a perfect square. Okay. Yes, I'm getting excellent answers from the students. Raju Yadav, Shobha, Bhavana, Neha, Nikita. Many have given me the right answers. So it is option 1, which is a perfect square. So the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. See the next question. The standard form of a quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it's a very simple question, isn't it? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. See the next question. The roots of the quadratic equation 3x plus 4 the whole square minus 49 is equal to 0. So what you have to do in this, expand this equation, then do minus 49, you will get a proper quadratic equation, isn't it? So with that, you can find the value of x, right? Or you can also do it like this, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. That also you can solve this question. Very simple, in fact. So your answer will be 1, comma, minus 11 by 3. That would be the value of x. Option 1. So those who have given me option 1, it is perfect. See the next question. Product of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 6x plus 11 is equal to 0. What would be the answer? So it is minus b by a. Right? So what happens? Alpha plus beta is sum, and alpha beta is c by a. So this is product. Right? So this is sum, this is product. So this would be c is 11 by 3. That is why your option 4 is correct. Yes. Goya, Harish, Venkataya, Srinivas, Raju Yadav, many have given me the right answers. Very good. See the next question. If the equation x square minus kx plus 1 is equal to 0 has equal roots, then what is the value of k? Right? So you have to find out sum of roots, product of roots. That is alpha plus beta, alpha beta. Right? So the value of k would be equal to 2. So use sum of roots and product of roots. All right. See the next question. If the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square plus 2k plus 1 into x minus of k plus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to the product of the roots, then what is the value of k? So what is sum of the roots? Minus b by a is equal to c by a. What is minus b by a? Minus of 2k plus 1 by 3 equal to product is minus of k plus 5 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled, minus gets cancelled. So you are left with 2k plus 1 is equal to k plus 5. So when this k comes here, you get k is equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. So your answer is 4. All right, let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Srinivas, Venkataya, Bhavana, Manjula, Boya, Harish, Nikita, many are giving me the answers. Very good. See the next question. The quadratic equation whose one root is 2 minus root 3 is dash. Right? So whose one root is 2 minus root 3. So in this case, you can use minus b into plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In that case, you will quickly get the answer. Okay, so you will get x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the answer. All right, see the next question. The set of all points that satisfy the curve y is equal to x square is called dash. Is it circle, ellipse, parabola, or hyperbola? Y is equal to x square is always parabola. Isn't it? Yeah. See the next question. If there is no common point for the graphs, y is equal to x square and y is equal to 4x minus 5, then the equation does not have real roots, dash. Right? So you have 4 equations. X square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So if there is no common point for the graphs, then the equation does not have real roots is dash. It is none other than option 1, x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. All right, yes. Narasimha, you have written 1 or 3. No, just give only one answer. Shobha, Boya, Manjula, Srinivas, Nikita, Raju Yadav. Okay, see the next question. The product of the roots of ax square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. Okay, product is a by a, which is 1. So the answer is option 2. All right, see the next question. If one of the roots of x square minus kx plus 8 is equal to 0 is 4, then what is k? Okay, so use sum of the roots, then product of the roots. So what is sum of the roots here? It is minus b by a, that is minus k, right? And here it is product of the roots is c by a, that is 8 by 1 is 8, right? So you can do the other one. You can also substitute for x is 4. Okay, so you can also try that actually. So what you get out of it is the value of k as 6, isn't it? So it's very simple. You just have to substitute the value of x as 4. 16 minus 4k plus 8 is equal to 0. So minus 4k plus 16 plus 8, 24. So plus 24 equal to 0. Minus 4k minus 24. So k will be 24 by 4. So k is 6 4s are 24. So that is why your option is correct. Okay. See the next question. If the discriminant of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is 4, then the parabola y is equal to x square touches x-axis at dash. Only 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, or none. So it touches only 1 point. See the next question. If one root of a quadratic equation is 3 and the other root is twice the first root, then the equation is dash. If one root is 3, then the other root should be twice. Means 3 into 2, which is 6. Right? So when you try to jot it down and get the value of the x, then you will have your option 3, x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. Yeah, coming back here, Manjula, Narasimha, Venkatesh, Venkataya, Shobha, Raju, Yadav, Srinivas, many are giving me the correct answers. Right, see the next question. If the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots, then what is c? So it should be b square by 4a. Okay. Yes, next. The nature of the roots of the equation x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0 are rational and unequal, equal, not real, irrational. Okay. So it becomes rational and unequal. See the next question. If the difference of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus x plus b is equal to 0 is 1, then a square minus 4b is 0, a square minus 4b is 1, a square minus 4b is minus 1, a square minus 4b is equal to 4. Okay. So the difference of the roots of the quadratic equation. So here goes the answer. It is a square minus 4b is equal to 1. See the next one. If the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are, you have sine alpha, cos alpha. Then what is your answer? A square plus b square c square. A square minus 2bc is b square. B square plus 2ac is equal to a square. B square minus 2ac is a square. Yeah. So your answer must be b square minus 2ac is equal to a square. See the next question. The condition that one root of the quadratic equation a square plus b plus c is reciprocal of the other is dash. Right? So the condition that one root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c 0 is reciprocal means what it is? A is equal to c. Option 1. Yeah, so let me see how many are giving me the answer. Raju Yadav, Srinivas, Nikita, Boya, Jyoti Pampala, Sahasra Reddy. Okay, so many are giving me the correct answers. Yes. See the next question. If the discriminant of 3x square minus 10x plus 8 is 0 is 4, then what is p? Okay, you just have to find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Okay, so they say that if the discriminant is 4, means what? Find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So minus 10 square minus 4 into a into c is 4. So 100 minus 32p minus 4 is equal to 0. 100 minus 4 is 96. So minus 32p minus 96 is equal to 0. So 32p is equal to 96. P is equal to 96 by 32. Right? So P is equal to minus 3. Isn't it? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the value of your P must be minus 3. Let's check the answer. It's minus 3. 100 minus 4 is 100 minus 4 is plus 96. So when this goes there, it becomes minus 96. So it is plus P. Correct. Answer is option 3. Right? So when this plus 96 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 96. So minus minus gets cancelled. Okay, let me see how many of you have given me the right answers. Yeah, Boya, Nikita, Raju Yadav, Narasimha. Many have given me the right answer. See the next question. If alpha and alpha square are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then what is alpha? Okay, so you just have to use a root or product roots relation. So it is 3 cube root of c by a. All right. See the next question. If 2 comma k lies on the parabola y is equal to 2x square minus 3, then what is k? So you just have to substitute 2 in x and k in y. Yeah. So you can get the value. So 2 comma k, this is x, y. So k is equal to y is equal to, so here k is equal to 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 3. So k is equal to 8 minus 3. K is equal to 5. So your option 3 must be the correct one. Yeah? Yes. Shobha has given me the right answers. Right? The graph of y is equal to mx square, m is greater than 0 is symmetric about positive, symmetric about negative, symmetric about positive x-axis, symmetric about negative x-axis. It is symmetric about positive y-axis. See the next question. For the curve x is equal to my square, the axis is dash. X-axis, y-axis, or both x and y-axis or none, it is x-axis only. The vertex of the curve x is equal to my square is dash. Yes, so the vertex of the curve x is equal to my square is 0, 0 because it is vertex. The product of two consecutive natural numbers is 72. Then what are the natural numbers? Okay. So then what are the natural numbers? It is nothing but 8 and 9. Clear? Yes. All right. So with this, we finish off today's class, students. So thank you so much for your excellent cooperation. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And for any of your queries, you can always WhatsApp to us 733-728-5228. All right. So let's meet you soon in the next class with a very interesting topic. Thank you. Bye.